फ्रेंडली ड्रिंक्स की बात करें फॉर गट हेल्थ तो क्या होंगे वो?
You must drink a lot of water. Water is the most afferent can you have.
Yeah.
Now, here and there you take a soft drink, aerated one, it's fine. But you're drinking more, you're going to produce a lot of gas in your side. And then there a lot of sugar comes in that, unless you're taking zero Pepsi sugar and all. The other thing is, they also has a lot of toxins, which are not mentioned until you read the deep things. Fresh juices are good. You can do that. Aerated चीज़ों से दूर रहिए. Coffee and sugar, coffee and tea, I would say if you're taking 1 or 2 a day, I have no problem. But I tell my patients, listen, you take a cup. You need only few sips to get a kick. Rest you drink because it is there. So you take a bigger cup, it will be full. You know, when you go and they say you want small, medium, or large. So take a small cup, half filled. If you take once or twice a day, I can live with that unless you have a big hypertension or any other issues. So one half cup twice a day, I think it's okay. Now along with that, if you start snacking too much, you're taking samosas, pakoda and all, that's going to spoil it because nicotine already is going to decrease the pressure at the G junction, that is the esophagus, खाने की नली और stomach का जो junction है. On top of that, if you take more fat, it'll make it more loose. And then you're going to have burping, you're going to have खट्टा पानी मुंह में and burning in the chest and retching. Other thing which young generation I tell them is, don't eat too much chewing gums. Because when you chew, you keep on swallowing air. And it's called aerophagia.
Oh.
And there's a lot of gas.
Oh.
And then if you're not passing it, you're going to have your tummy going here and you're feeling embarrassed.